guys, how's it going? Master Mason here, and I'm gonna be back on YouTube. I don't know for how long. This might be a new video, but I was thinking, hey, I have nothing to do for the summer, so why not do videos and stuff for YouTube? Here's my dogs. This one's Jack. Hey, Jack, and this one's Light. Ow! Hey, Jack. Yeah. No. Alright, the camera's had enough of you. And this the camera's had enough of you. Jesus. You just want to show me. Alright. Yeah, this is my backyard. It's a beautiful day outside. Hear the trees rustling. And it's all good. So, yeah, I pretty much made this video for you guys to know that I'm back, even though I only have like, I don't know, 6 or 7 subscribers. Which, I think I could work on. Stop fighting. Come on. So, yeah. Anything else? No. Crazy dogs. Stop it. Hey. Is that person? Oh, yeah. Alright. Bye, guys.